Here?
Yep. How your hand getting out of here? How you? I thought you were electronic. How your hand get out of here? I'll push water.
Water, okay. Ding, ding, ding.
What up? That is not water. That's Jello.
Oh, wait, sorry.
I'll put it back in.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors. Where's my dad? I know where's he at.
Okay, I got my pickaxe. When SuperBaby come, I'll get him. I don't see him. When he come, I'll give him my pickaxe. Huh? I hear something. Nope, I don't see him yet. Huh? There's a sound. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. You got me. I'm down now. I'm down.
That's you right there.
You got me.
That's
yeah.
you right there.
You got me. I surrender. I put my hand out. I surrender.
Here, shoot your hand.
No, no. Let me get my weapon. Let me get my pickaxe. Want to get a drink? Want to get a soda?
No. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's pause the game. Pause the game. Let's get the soda. Come on, we'll pause the game.
I want you to shake it. Pew, pew.
So, shake the soda?
Yeah, make me more power.
How about you? I shake and you open the soda.
Yeah. More power.
More power like that? Okay, let's go. Here's the vending machine. Alright. I want water. Put my money in. Huh? It's not taking my money. Oh, maybe it's not flat. Let me do it flat. Okay, do it again. Again? It's not going in. Let me do it again. Here you go. There we go. Alright.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
I am the vending machine.
You are the vending machine? Do I push a button to get my soda?
Yeah, push button any here.
Oh, let me get, I want water.
Water here?
Yep. How your hand getting out of here? I thought you were electronic. How your hand get out of here? I'll push water.
Water, okay. Ding, ding, ding.
What up? That is not water. That's Jello.
Oh, wait, sorry.
I'll put it back in.
Okay, here we go.
A big burrito? That is not my water. That's not my water.
Just have it to eat.
No, I want water. I don't want a big burrito.
Get it.
I'll put it back in.
Okay, let me find it. Water? Here we go.
Oh, right. My water. Yeah. Oh. Wow. What up? I didn't buy Gatorade.
Yeah, you did.
What is this? Yeah, I'll put it back in. Let me see.
No, just have it.
No. I had to buy it.
Okay.
Okay, here. I got $1 here. Hang on. I got $1 here. I'm gonna ask my son. Water or Gatorade?
Gatorade.
Gatorade? Okay. I'll put it right here. Put $1 in.
It's stuck.
It's stuck again? Okay, I'm gonna get you Gatorade, okay? Okay, I'm pushing the button. Well, so... Oh, I didn't push any button yet. I didn't push any button yet.
I didn't do anything. It just came out random.
Oh, let's put it back in. I won't push button.
And
I'm gonna push. This must be it. There we go.
that one?
Hey, how you get out here?
here's the Gatorade.
Alright, Gatorade. I got Gatorade. This is a cool machine. Cool machine. I like this.
Yeah, my head's...
Whoa, what? Your head came out of the soda machine? What happened to your soda box? It's falling apart. What happened to your soda box? It's falling apart. What happened? What happened to soda box? It's falling apart.
I guess I have to fix it.
What? Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Okay, lift it up. Okay, there you go. There we go. I fixed your soda machine box.
Soda machine.
Okay, I got my Gatorade for my boy, and I got water. Oh, one more. What?
Ding, 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 ding.
What is this? Oh, a thumb. There you go. That was cool. You awesome. That was cool. How did you get your hand on here? I thought you were a computer. Look at this. Look at this. I thought you were a computer.
My hands always sticks out.
What? That is cool. Soda machine. Wow.
Whoa. What is out here?
How did you get out of the screen? You're supposed to be in the screen.
I am in. Look at my hands. I can't get out.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
My head can.
What? How did your head get out?
Oh no.
What? That is. You know what? I'm gonna trade. Let's see, my water for hot water. You know, hot water. Yeah. Trade for hot water, please.
Okay. Hot water. Here's hot water.
Hot water. Who took my? Huh? Who took all my hot water? Did you drink my hot water?
No.
I think you drank my hot
No,
water.
no. I can't drink.
Yeah, you drank my hot water.
No.
Yeah, it was you.
What about this? Ding,
Oh,
ding,
okay, I'll have that water back. Okay, thank you. All right, awesome. My son will love it.
Yeah.
What is this? Okay.
Oh no, my vending machine again.
Again? Oh, there go my water. There go my water. Okay, bye-bye, vending machine. Bye-bye. Okay, son. I got your Gatorade.
Where? I see you.
Hey, you can shoot me again? Why you shoot me?
Pew, pew.
Here you go, SuperBaby. I got your water. I mean your Gatorade. Yeah, I got my hot water, but I think the machine drank my water. That machine talk. You see that?
Wait, no, I didn't. Oh yeah.
You talk. You saw that?
Did he run out the window?
Yeah, he's like hand came out the window and everything. It's like the future, vending machine. You ever seen that? You never seen that kind of stuff before, huh? No, huh? That's awesome. Yeah, drink up.
I'm gonna shake it.
You ain't shake it. Oh, watch out! It can explode. It's like a soda can. Be careful. See, open it. See, open it.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's leak. You got over your pants.
Oh no!
You got over your pants. What are you doing?
I'm gonna open it.
Open it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess in there.
You got it? Open it.
Yeah. I hold it. You try to open it.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Because it was.
Was spilling? There you go. Is it good? Is it good?
Not bad.
Not bad? No taste. I want to taste too.
No.
Come on, please.
No. This makes you more better.
More power? It give you more power? Okay, we gotta continue the war.
The war. I think I'm gonna win. Take the victory.
Hot water.
I'm going to get the victory.
You can take the victory? Okay. I got you. I got you. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going?
5 damage.
I took 5 damage.
Pew, pew, pew. 50 damage.
50 damage, huh?
Also, now I have 85 health.
You got 85 health already?
85 health. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
All right,
Boom, boom, boom.
I'm done. Let's get a drink. Let's get a drink.
And also my Gatorade gives me shield because it looks like shield.
It look like shield?
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm done.
It's shield.
All right.
If you would have drank the Gatorade, you would have got a shield.
Yeah. Okay. Can you pass me? Yeah. Here's Gary.
Gatorade shield. I got the Gatorade shield.
Okay, give my water. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, I can't open my water.
Can't believe it. Wait, there's your drinking water. You filled it up?
Huh?
You filled up the water that got drunk?
Yeah, see? I filled up, see? Magic.
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 Magic. Open.
Open. Open. I can't open it. Can you open it for me, please?
Shield.
Huh?
It tastes like shield.
Tastes like chill? Okay, open it for me, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing? That's my power drink.
What's a power drink? That's not even a power drink.
Yeah, it is. My power drink.
But then what does it do?
It give me power.
No.
For the battle.
No, it only gives you 50 shield. I get 100 shield.
Yeah, it's good. All right, Super Baby. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, CardBoard
HD and SuperBaby Colors.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Make sure to what?
Make sure to subscribe and like.
And smash that like button.
No, smash that like this. Bing!
Like that? Okay, cool. Okay, bye-bye, Super Baby and Tiger Box.